Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create these frame shapes for your videos on CapCut PC. So you are just going to select your video. I'm going to select a video of this dolphin, and I'm going to go to backgrounds, and I'm going to select this. You can select any color you want. You can even get pics outside of CapCut. Go to mask, and you can select any shape you want. I'll select the heart shape for this one. Then I am going to right click, create compound clip again, and then I'll select the heart shape, but I will reverse it this time. I'm trying to find where the white dot is so I can scale it up. Okay, I'm just gonna do this first, honestly, because I can't see it. There we go. And then for the dolphin, I'm just going to mask it to fit it inside the frame. Okay, I should have just done this one. Okay. And voila, that is it. Super simple, super cute. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.